You are now tuned to Frequency 9.63, broadcasting from the SS Sydi across the Perseus-Pisces supercluster and beyond. The universe hums with infinite vibrations. Some drift through the void unnoticed. Others form the rhythms of existence itself, but only one station captures them all.
Fall out off the map, we've been floating. In a new path, making new roads, yeah. Fat tracks and maps is loading. New data, new waves eroding. Past trauma DNA unfolding. New genes, new whip, new conscience. Who them dudes rolling up on fire?
Welcome to Starsquad Radio, the premier interstellar broadcast beaming the finest sounds from across the galaxies. Whether you're a lone star pilot surfing solar winds or a cosmic outlaw seeking the perfect groove, we've got you covered. Our resident sonic navigators, JA.X.SON, Max Ward, Sydi, and Bigby are always on the move, uncovering celestial mysteries and transmitting hidden frequencies that might just change the way you see the universe. Join us on our journey as we track the harmonic nexus, hunt rare vibrations, and tune to the pulse of the cosmos. Transmissions from beyond known space, picked up by the crystalline core of the SS Sydi, our interstellar ship. The stars are calling, the frequencies are shifting. Turn the dial, ride the wave, and let the universe sing.